I think that we can start. I hope that we are online. Andrea, maybe can make me sure that we are. Okay. Welcome, everybody. It's a new experience, an old and new experience to be in person here in a classroom with you. And this is the open house of a master degree in data science. And my name is Marco Ferrante, and I'm the head of the coordinator, the president of this, the boss of this master degree. Okay, this is a small blah blah, and big data is one of the key terms of our contemporary world, and this to justify why people decided to construct a master degree in data science and offer this to the students. Existence of nearly limitless amounts of data that have to be collected, managed, analyzed, and processed by competent professionals bring out the need to a new figure, and this new figure is that of a data scientist. Okay, we have this part. Okay. What is a successful data scientist today? He needs to receive a multidisciplinary learning path, which combines technical skills coming from engineering, computer science, statistics, and mathematics, with knowledge of different sectors in which data processing is required. Has to be able to process the data and translate it into information useful for cognitive and decision-making process. Okay, these are nice words. This is what we need. This interdisciplinarity, engineering, computer science, mathematics, and statistics. This is what is usually not easy to do because every master degree is in one specific department that is focused or in mathematics or in statistics or engineering. What we have done in 2016 here at the University of Padua is construct this master degree, really putting together 5 different departments and one foundation, the Bruno Kessler Foundation in Trento. And as you can see, involved in the project are really the 5 needed departments for this project. The Department of Mathematics, where we are now, the Department of Statistics, of Information Engineering, where there are all the information engineers, Department of General Psychology, and Department of Biomedical Sciences. This to, in some sense, to demonstrate that there is really an interdisciplinarity and people that teach any of the field, applied field or fundamental topics are experts of these topics. And this is written here. The master degree in data science is highly interdisciplinary and is fully taught in English by international established researchers. And the other things that I want to stress out is something that I always say, why this master degree is really a new degree. One empirical proof of this is that nobody of your instructor, the professor that we will encounter in your studies, if you will decide to study, to enroll in our master degree, is graduated in this master degree. Because nobody of us comes from a data science master degree, because this is pretty new. There are mathematicians, statisticians, engineers, but people from computer science, but nobody has this. And this is something that don't happens very often. The offer usually is with a master degree with a name that is the same name since 30, 40 years. Okay, quickly. The program has been built to, highly acquire this figure of data science is by industries, consulting companies, and public institutions. And there is a big possibility to continue with a PhD. And so this means in the academy too. And our graduated will be able to master tools coming from engineering, computer science, statistics, and mathematics. We have already seen this is our idea, our scope. Okay, 2 years ago, before all the COVID, we started in 2019, that academic year, 1920. We made a big change in our master degree, and we organized this in 4 curricula. 4 curricula means that we focus the studies in these 4 curricula: machine learning, mathematics, biological data, and cognitive and social data. I go very quickly here because then Professor Rinaldi will explain more about this curricula. We decided to differentiate the offer for many reasons, because it's a better organization of our master degree, and because of the numbers that here it is the last line, but I just comment to you that in the first year we had a total number of 19 students enrolled in our master degree. The second year they arrived at 39, the fourth year 2 years ago at 60, and last year we had more than 100 students, and we forecasted to have more than 120, 130 students. And the second thing that you can see, this is completely with a PDF, it's no more very easy to read this table. The Italian students is the first column, and these are the international students, and this number is 64. Up to 9 this year, for the next year, the 21-22, we have already 64 international students that apply and pay for to be here in the next academic year. And to give the idea that the international of this master degree, this is the proportion of the origin of our international students. We have a big part of students that come from Asia. This means from Iran, most of all, some students from China, few students from Pakistan, and there is a big amount of students coming from Europe. We have a lot of students coming from Turkey, and the students from Germany, Russia, and many other countries in Europe. But we have also students from Africa and students from America. We have from North America, South America, Canada this year, Mexico, Brazil, and so on. So the environment is really international. Already this year was so, but the next year we forecast that it will be even more international. This is very important because even if my English is sufficient and nothing more, or some of my colleagues much better, the environment is really international. You will have classmates that are not Italians, are international. Most of these are English mother language. Others speak English as a French language like you, but I think that is really a rich environment where to spend, I hope, just the next 2 years and no more than 2 years. And to finish this, having the possibility to dress this nice t-shirt that is now allowed just for professors. And when you graduate in this, we make a gift to you with these t-shirts. It's very expensive because it costs 2 years of your life, but I think that it's important for you to have at least. Okay, this is a joke, stupid joke, but you understand that. We are very proud of our master degree, and I think that is a good. It was something that was not so clear at the beginning that can be so successful, but working hard in this, and I hope that the student that we ask to make a speech later will confirm is something that can be really, really a good choice. Now I let